Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of intermittent fasting and uncovering some common mistakes you might be making. It can be an effective way to lose weight, improve metabolism, and even boost overall health. In this video, we'll explore the top 11 common mistakes people often make while intermittent fasting. And don't worry, I'll also be sharing some practical tips to help you avoid these pitfalls and get the most out of your fasting journey. All right, let's dive in. One of the biggest mistakes people make when practicing intermittent fasting is overeating during the eating window. Fasting isn't a free pass to consume unlimited calories. To achieve weight loss, it's crucial to understand and monitor your caloric intake. Eating mindfully, controlling your portions, and eating slowly can make a significant difference. Incorporating foods rich in fiber, healthy fats, and lean proteins can keep you fuller for longer, reducing the temptation to overeat. Remember, the goal is to nourish your body, not to stuff it. Another common mistake is choosing unhealthy foods during your eating window. Consuming processed snacks, fast foods, and sugary treats can sabotage your weight loss efforts. Focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods that fuel your body properly. Meal prep can be a game changer here. By planning and preparing balanced meals ahead of time, you can avoid the last-minute scramble for unhealthy snacks. Remember, the quality of your food is just as important as the quantity when it comes to intermittent fasting. Hydration is crucial, especially when you're fasting. Not drinking enough water can lead to dehydration, causing fatigue, headaches, and even false hunger signals. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, and more if you're physically active. Herbal teas, lemon water, and other zero-calorie drinks can also help keep you hydrated. Staying hydrated not only supports your fasting efforts, but also benefits your overall health and well-being. When it comes to breaking your fast, choosing the right foods is crucial. Opting for high sugar and refined carbohydrate foods can cause insulin spikes and energy crashes. Focus on foods that provide sustained energy and stable blood sugar levels, such as protein, healthy fats, and fiber-rich foods. Good options for breaking your fast include smoothies with protein powder, lean meats, salads with healthy fats, and eggs. The key is to ease your body back into eating with balanced, nutrient-dense meals. Intermittent fasting can sometimes lead to nutrient deficiencies if you're not careful about what you eat during your eating window. With a limited time to consume food, it's easy to miss out on essential nutrients. To avoid nutrient deficiencies, focus on eating a variety of whole foods. You might also consider taking a multivitamin or other supplements if you're worried about getting enough nutrients from your diet alone. Remember, the goal of intermittent fasting is not just to lose weight, but to support your overall health. Ignoring hunger signals is a mistake that can lead to overeating and disrupt your fasting routine. It's important to distinguish between true hunger and emotional hunger. Learning to listen to your body's hunger cues is essential for maintaining a healthy fasting routine. If you're genuinely hungry outside of your eating window, it's okay to adjust your fasting schedule. Remember, it's important to be kind to yourself and listen to your body's needs. One of the most common mistakes people make with intermittent fasting is expecting immediate results. It's easy to get frustrated when you don't see quick changes on the scale, but weight loss takes time and patience. While the primary goal might be weight loss, intermittent fasting offers many other health benefits, such as improved energy levels and better digestion. Celebrate the small victories along the way, like feeling more energized or having fewer sugar cravings. Be patient with yourself and trust the process. Consistency is key, and over time, you will start to see and feel the benefits of intermittent fasting. Consistency is crucial when it comes to intermittent fasting. Inconsistent fasting schedules can reduce the effectiveness of your fasting efforts. Building a consistent habit is key to achieving long-term success with intermittent fasting. Creating a schedule that works for you and your lifestyle is essential. Discipline and commitment are key to making intermittent fasting a sustainable part of your lifestyle. Remember, consistency doesn't mean perfection. It's about making a consistent effort and staying committed to your goals. While exercise is an important part of a healthy lifestyle, over-exercising while fasting can do more harm than good. Intense workouts without proper nutrition can lead to fatigue, burnout, and even muscle loss. During fasting periods, consider incorporating moderate exercises like walking, yoga, or strength training. It's also important to listen to your body and adjust your exercise routine based on how you're feeling. Timing your workouts can also make a difference. Find what works best for you and make adjustments as needed. Sleep plays a crucial role in weight loss and overall health. Not getting enough sleep can lead to hormonal imbalances, increased hunger, and weight gain. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Establishing a bedtime routine can help signal to your body that it's time to sleep. Avoid late-night eating and caffeine, as these can disrupt your sleep. Remember, good sleep is essential for your overall health and can enhance the benefits of intermittent fasting. While weight loss might be the primary goal for many people practicing intermittent fasting, it's important not to focus solely on the number on the scale. Intermittent fasting can offer a range of health benefits beyond weight loss. Improved digestion, mental clarity, reduced inflammation, and better insulin sensitivity are just a few of the benefits. Embrace the process and appreciate the positive changes in your health and well-being. Celebrate the non-scale victories, such as increased energy levels, improved mood, and better sleep. Thanks for watching. Remember, intermittent fasting is a journey, not a race. Stay consistent, listen to your body, and focus on overall health. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Consistency and a positive mindset are key to achieving your health goals. Celebrate your progress and the positive changes in your health and well-being. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.